expression because these are the expressions that we use at the end of every Jamaican conversation. Check it out. Little more. Little more. Little more means see you later. See you another time. Bye. This is a very popular expression that if any of you know a Jamaican, you would have heard them use it at least once in any conversation you may have had with them. This is exactly how it is used. We're going to come Gwan home now. So little more. Inna the morrows. Inna the morrows. Inna the morrows is used if you're going to see the person the next day, or if there's something that you might be following up on. It will be used in a context like this. Okay, fellas, that's it for practice for today. Make sure you're early tomorrow. Alright, coach, inna the morrows. Inna the laters. Inna the laters. This expression we use here a lot. This expression, inna the laters, or we just say laters, really means see you later. It could mean literally, or it could mean see you next day, see you tomorrow, see you well, I don't know, whenever. Example, hey, may I go back to class now, so inna the laters. Walk good. Walk good. Walk good is an expression now that we use when you're parting ways with somebody. You could also use it together with like the little more from above. For example, you might say, alright, may I go home now, so a little more. Your friend could reply, alright my friend, walk good. Bless up yourself. Bless up yourself. This expression has roots in the Rasta influence in our culture, and it is used to mean literally like blessings abound for you and on your life, and in a sense like take care of yourself, take good care of yourself, kind of very respectfully. For example, alright the king, me go try that now, later, and reply, alright me youth, bless up yourself. So there you have it. That just concluded our 3-part lesson on the Jamaican greetings. If you stuck with part 1, 2, and 3, you would have learned some of the common ways that Jamaicans start off, reply, and end their conversations. Trust me, if you talk to any Jamaican, you must hear 1 or 2 or all of some of these expressions. So, learn a few of them and drop it from some of your Jamaican friends them now. Surprise them. Anyway, people, until next time, bless up on yourself.